Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Let's build a chart to find the values for all 6 trig functions for our most common angles, 30, 45, and 60. On the left, we have a 45, 45, 90 triangle, and let's fill it in with sides that match the right ratio, with legs 1 and 1 and hypotenuse root 2. On the right, we can start with a hypotenuse of 2, which means our short side is 1 and our long side is root 3. We can start to fill out our table with all the values for our 6 trig functions, as long as we remember the ratios, where sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent is opposite over adjacent, and cotangent, secant, and cosecant are reciprocals of the first 3. Notice the similarities between the 30 and 60 degree values, like the sine of 30 degrees is the same as the cosine of 60 degrees. The values for 45 degrees can be found on the triangle on the left. Again, just using our standard 6 trigonometric ratios, we'll fill it out just like so. One thing to note is we need to rationalize our denominators. So 1 over root 3, we'd end up writing that as square root of 3 over 3. 1 over root 2 we could rewrite as square root of 2 over 2. And 2 over root 3 we could rewrite as 2 square roots of 3 over 3.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.